Welcome back, geniuses! Today's question is, what if humans had no bones? Let's imagine it. You wake up one morning and as you try to get out of bed, your legs turn to spaghetti and you flop onto the floor like jelly. Send help. I'm a jelly bean. You stumble out of your house, legs still feeling like overcooked spaghetti. You notice someone walking by. And you're like, hey, friend, wanna high five? Your friend looks at your outstretched hand and then at you with a confused expression. Why do I feel like uncooked pancake batter? Their legs collapse and they slide down the sidewalk like a bowl of soup. It's a wobbly mess out there, and without bones, you'd be a floppy sack of skin and muscle. No structure, no balance, just pure wobble mode. But what does the science say? Your skeleton has 206 bones. They hold you up, help you move, and protect important stuff like your brain. 206 bones, that's a lot of spaghetti. You try to run away from danger, but without your skeletal muscles, you just slide into a nearby door wearing your colander hat. No bones, no skull, no rib cage, no spine. Just problems. My skull misses me. You find a chair to sit in, but without any bones, your body slides off like melted slime. My skeleton quit on me. Without bones, your lungs collapse, your body squishes, and your organs go full chaos mode. Your heart, now a squishy ball of jelly, stops beating. You might have been a goner anyway, but now you definitely are. The moral of the story: bones are the silent MVPs. Respect the skeleton. Like this video if you learned something new, comment something nice about bones, and subscribe to our channel to make sure you never miss an awesome science video.